Today's class will be dealing with multiplication of fraction. We want to multiply our fractions, multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to solve this question on the board, and I want you to pay close attention to how we are going to solve it. We're having 1 number 7 over 9 times 3 over 4 times 3 over 8. Now if you want to multiply these fractions together, the first step is change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. If you look at the first fraction, you're having 1 over 7 over 9, so we're going to change it to improper fraction. We're going to use the denominator, which is 9, to multiply the whole number. Then we add our numerator, that is 9 times 1, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is what? 16. So 1 over 7 over 9 will be 16 over 9 times the next fraction. We're going to change it from mixed fraction to improper fraction. That will be 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, that will be what? That will be 15. So we're having 15 over 4. Why the next fraction is a proper fraction? 3 over 8. What's the next thing? The next thing is that we divide both the numerator and the denominator with a common factor. You look at the numerator and the denominator, the one that have common factor, then you divide it. Now let's start. You look at the fraction here. You can see that 8 is a factor of 16. 8 will go in 8, 1. 8 is 16, that will be 2. Now apart from that, 3 here, that will be 1. 3 in 9, that will be 3, right? Okay, we can see divided for them. 2 here, that will be 1. 2 in 4, that will be what? That will be 2. We can also use this 3 to divide the 15. 3 here, 1. 3 in 15, that will be what? That will be 5. So we are left with 1 times 5 times 1, that will be 5 divided by 2. Then you can change this improper fraction to mixed fraction. 5 divided by 2 is what? That will be 2 in 5. That will be 2 whole number 1 over 2. 2 in number 1 over 2. Now let's go to another example. Let's say that we have this question: 3 whole number 3 over 4 times 4 over 9 times 1 whole number 1 over 5. The first step, change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. This will be 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 3, that will be 15. So this 3 whole number 3 over 4 will be 15 over 4 times 4 over 9 times 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, that will be 6 over 5. After you have changed the mixed fraction to improper fraction, the next thing is that divide the numerator and the denominator with a common factor. 4 will cancel 4. This 4 will cancel 4. 5 here, 1. How many 5 can you see in 15? That will be what? That will be 3. This same 3 can divide 9. 3 is a factor of 9. So 3 here, 1. 3 in 9, that will be what? That will be 3. Now, this 3 can also be used to divide this 6. 3 here, 1. 3 in 6, that will be 2. Our final answer is what? 2. Our final answer is 2. Now let's go to the last question. Last question for today's class. Let's go to the last question for today's class. So to multiply fraction is very simple. If you are given mixed fractions, change to improper fraction. After you have changed to improper fraction, divide the numerator and the denominator with a common factor. Then you have your answer. Let's say that you have something like this. You are having 12 whole number 12 over 25 of 1 whole number 1 over 4 square. So this 12 over 25 will still be 12 over 25. Half in mathematics means times. Then the fraction in the bracket, which is 1 number 1 over 4, is a mixed fraction. You change to improper fraction. That will be 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1. That will be 5 over 4 square. Then you solve it by writing 12 over 25 times 5 over 4 square means 5 over 4 times 5 over 4. What's the next thing? Divide the numerator and the denominator with a common factor. Like 5 here, that will be 1. 5 in 25, that will be 5. See that this 5, we cancel this 5. So 4 here, 1. 4 will also go in 12, that will be 3. Our final answer is what? That will be 3 over 4. Our final answer is 3 over 4. Finally, we have come to the end of today's class. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you put on the notification icon and make sure you write something about today's class. Thank you for watching.